this country ass nigga right here, he talks shit all day, every day. So today he going bald. He going Mr. Clean today.
I ain't signed no waiver for him.
I don't give a fuck about his consent, his waiver or nothing. I'm telling y'all what it about to be. Today. Went from Sean. Oh, his name's Sean for a reason. His name's Sean for a reason, boy. You doing hair the same way, bro?
Yeah, fade out.
Tighten up good. You want to take it off? Yeah, gotta keep it professional, man. I don't want to be in bad with you or nothing. First thing first, I'm gonna start off with my first guideline. Combing the hair. I'm using my Stylecraft instincts. You want to take the beard off, so go ahead and remove the sideburns, flick out motion, forming the Mohawk look that he wants. So that's my first guideline. Clearing it up, going over it, making sure everything look even. Flicking out, lever all the way closed. That's the first step. Then lever all the way open. That's second step. All the way open about 1/2 inch, flicking out as you see. Wrist motion, leaving the blade flat on his scalp while flicking out. Lever halfway as you see I just switched it. So sometimes I go from left to right, right to left as you see. I don't have a specific way how I fade. It's just I fade. Now I'm going with the 1.5 all the way closed, flicking out, forming that shape of the Mohawk that he wants. As I said, I go from left to right, right to left sometimes. So it just depends on how I feel or whatnot. But it's gonna get done for sure. So I'm flicking out, combing his hair. Just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Flicking out, flicking out, flicking out. So then I'm gonna go with the number 1. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the grain, kind of smooth things out a little bit. It's all the way closed. I'm flicking out, getting straight into it. Not really trying to play with this fade because I have a tight area on that one side. Really both sides, but I'm just saying as far as the video, how it's showing, I'm going with the grain again. First I go against the grain, then I go with the grain. Now I'm using my corners as you see. Same technique over and over. Against the grain, with the grain. Against the grain, with the grain. Sean is one of my loyal clients. Pretty cool person. That's his problem though. He likes to always look in the mirror. Flicking out again. Creating more space. Working it piece by piece. See how I'm shaping everything, I'm forming everything. Starting to come together piece by piece. So everything's starting to come together. Using the number 1 guard all the way closed again. Just touching up everything, softening that blend. Same technique as much as times as you need to do it. But I'm just making sure everything is even and balanced. And then I'm going to touch everything up again. So now I got my half guard, my 0.5, I'm all the way closed, going straight into it. Straight into the blend. And then I'm gonna go back over with my two guard. I'm shaping everything, making everything look more balanced. I was kind of just semi shaping it just to kind of like get a visual, but now I'm about to go ahead and start shaping it, blending everything else out, especially that part right there. I'm trying to get situated compared to the other side. So I went ahead and blended that side. Now I'm doing the opposite. I'm going straight with the number two guard, shaping everything. I'm fading down now. Just showing you it doesn't matter which way you go. If you want to go, guideline, then up, or guards, and then down the guideline. They're all guidelines, don't get me wrong. I'm just saying as far as setting the trimmers or clippers first, like that. Still flicking out as you see. Still staying consistent as you see. Gotta have the barbers out to understand like why am I doing like this, but I'm basically blending everything. Crazy thing is, some people walk out barbershops looking just like that with the chili bowl, but you'll see how everything's coming together too, piece by piece. That's the thing, you gotta trust the process. So always comb through, make sure going with the grain against the grain. Little lever play, adjusting my lever, but you can see how it's blending piece by piece. He actually called me today thanking me about the haircut because he got a lot of compliments. But he got his haircut yesterday. Then I'm gonna go back and clear everything up, bounce everything out, piece by piece. Can't be scared when you're going skin either. See how smooth it's starting to transition? Gotta use those corners too. Got to. And wrist motion. See how I'm just flicking out, flicking out. Anything I miss, I'm gonna catch it by flicking out like that. Look at the blend. Y'all check me out, man, at BJ's Cuts with two Z's, BJS.cuts with two Z's, or Big CEO.